When I was young, my uncle would pick me up in his green Cadillac, the one with the Periodically, we would pull over. Beautiful women would walk from the corner, stick their head in the window, drop money in my lap. My uncle would pat me on my back and tell me to count that. We would repeat the procedure numerous times throughout the course of the night, and at the end of the journey, if the count was right, he would give me ice cream, $5, and some free advice. Never run for buses or for women. There will always be another one at 15. Now that's probably not the best thing to tell a young man just starting out, cause I have been late for work and for love more times than I can count. And truth be told, I ain't never been pressed to keep a woman in my bed, cause in the back of my head always rings what my uncle said. Never run, never work, never give your heart, never get hurt. Never say I love you unless she says it first, and even then, pause for effect. Glance over to the left, make her wonder if you just saying it for the sake of repeating it. That way if the shit hits the fan, you can always say you didn't mean it. And don't trip if she talk about her ex-boyfriend. She just giving you the blueprint on how to pretend you better than him. It's all a game, nephew, and if you listen to what I'm saying, ain't nobody ever gonna be able to play it better than you. Keep her at arm's length, only give her enough attention to pique her interest. Make sure she plays her position, and if you're true to this, you can treat her like shit. She'll be happy with whatever time she gets. You could be in the strip club, grinding up on some whore. Text her 2 in the morning, bet she crack that door. Then you wax that floor, give it a good buffing and bounce like it ain't nothing. What he didn't tell me is what it would feel like to be 30 plus and be void of a good woman's touch. Didn't tell me how there is a difference between a good time and a good woman, and how sometimes men, they get the two things mixed up. Didn't tell me that a good woman only comes around once, and if you find her, you better run, like Carl Lewis. Better work to keep her or die inside when you realize there was another man underneath her. Didn't tell me at some point that would be the last bus of the night, and at some point that would be the greatest woman you would ever meet in your life, and she would be worthy of the sacrifice. She would be worthy of your secrets, and whatever games you playing with other women along the way, they just prevent you from meeting them. Didn't tell me what it would feel like to die alone. These are all lessons I had to learn on my own. Thank God I learned them before she came along. How miserable would I have been had I not been prepared when she walked into my life? I promised her 2 things. 1, to love her, and 2, to give my nephews better advice.